Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Live and Let Die by Guns N' Roses. We'll begin by mastering the fundamental chord progression that drives the verse. You'll primarily use G, D, M, and C major chords. Focus on making your transitions between these four chords as smooth as possible. A clean guitar tone will help you hear each note clearly, setting a strong foundation for the rest of the song. This initial section is crucial for building your confidence. Next, we'll tackle the memorable main riff that defines the song. This involves a specific strumming pattern that gives Live and Let Die its driving feel. Concentrate on the rhythm and timing, ensuring each strum is precise. You'll be using a combination of downstrokes and upstrokes to achieve the correct dynamic. Practice this section slowly at first, gradually increasing your speed until it feels natural and powerful. Now, let's move to the bridge, which offers a slight change in dynamics and chord progression. This section builds anticipation for the upcoming guitar solo. You'll primarily use power chords here, so ensure your fretting hand is strong and accurate. Pay close attention to the tempo shift that occurs just before the solo kicks in. Mastering this transition will make the entire song flow seamlessly and powerfully. Finally, it's time to put all the pieces together and play the entire song. Start by practicing each section individually, then link them one by one. Use a metronome to keep your timing precise and consistent throughout. Listen closely to the original Guns N' Roses track to capture the authentic feel and nuances. Remember, consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes a day, will significantly improve your playing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.